Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open or turn on Bluetooth on your Windows 11 or 10. There are two ways. I will show you the first one. You can go to the bottom right corner on your computer and you will see Bluetooth icon. If you cannot see it in this, you can go to this one, then you can click it and there will be Bluetooth icon here. You can click it and go to show Bluetooth device, and that you can now turn it off or turn it on. And the other method, you can go to search bar, go to settings, or you can right click here in start, right click, then go to settings, and then you can go to Bluetooth and device, and now you can turn it off or turn it on. And if you want to add device, you can click here, then you can choose Bluetooth. That's it. Thank you.